Hello friends, my name is Ratan. I am self-employed digital marketer. I help people to make money online. If you had never made money online, you can contact me on Facebook. Type Engineer Ratan Kumar Anku in the search bar of Facebook. Message me over there. If you are watching this video on Tumblr, WebTalk or YouTube, you can see the description and follow the contact list from there and message us, and we will help you how to start making money online. In this video I am going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin if you are staying in India. So without wasting your time, let's get back to the dashboard of the Geotas site from where you need to buy the Bitcoin. The first time you come on Geotas site, what you need to do, you need to create your account. Simply go on sign up and click your details, email address, password, and create your account, confirm from your email and complete the KYC. And after following those KYC steps, come to the Geotas site and log into your site by simply entering your username and password and sign in there. After signing in, it will ask you for an OTP. You need to put that OTP within 2 minutes 50 seconds. So you will get an OTP on your mobile. Enter that OTP and verify that. And once you verify that, you will see a dashboard like this. So as you can see, my last deposit of this account, I had made some withdrawal and deposit also from this account. So what you need to do first, once you come on this site, you can see I have currently 0.0042257 Bitcoin also in this account. So first time once you come on this site, you need to deposit. Click on deposit and you need to enter the amount you want to deposit. So let's say to activate the account I required 8,500 in INR. So I will deposit 8,500 rupees through IMPS and click submit. So after clicking submit, it will show me an agreement. So I will simply tick mark all those agreement and I will click next. Then it will show account information on which we have to deposit the amount. So simply you need to add this account number that's shown on your dashboard in your internet banking. So I am going to log in into my internet banking, HDFC Bank, where I will enter my username, user ID, and I will log into my net banking. Then I will enter my net banking password. Confirm the image and log into my HDFC Bank. So it will send an OTP to your email address or mobile number. So you select the mobile number I selected and press continue. So it will send me an OTP. I will enter the OTP. And I will press continue. Once on the dashboard in my internet banking, I will click on fund transfer. After clicking on fund transfer, I will select IMPS instant transfer. I had already added the account of beneficiary. You need to add the beneficiary account that was shown on the
Geotas. So I will select the beneficiary, that is N Chiranjeevi, and you can match the exact account details from the Geotas, that is 202712499916. I N Chiranjeevi, the same account. Here I had added as a beneficiary, and the account type, make sure it should be a current account, and you need to add the IFSC code also as mentioned in this Geotas dashboard. So enter the amount 8500 rupees. In the remarks section you need to enter the number that has been made as a deposit ID. This description remark can be different for your deposit, so make sure you need to enter the exact deposit ID over there as a remark, and then select the terms and condition and then continue. So you can again match the account detail of the beneficiary where you are sending the money, and Chiranjeevi I am sending the same account details, you can see over here, and then same account number, match the account number and confirm. So it will send me an OTP on my email or mobile, so I will select mobile and click on continue. So I will enter one time password that has been sent on my mobile, and press continue. So as you can see, congratulations, your fund had been transferred through IMPS on, and the reference number is this, and this has been shown. So what you need to do after doing that, you need to take out the statement of your account details. So you need to go to your account and see the last 10 transactions. So you need to click on account, click on inquire, and view account detail statement, and take a statement of your account. View the account details, and you need to take the screenshot of this last 10 transactions. Simply click on print screen and paste that on paint. And save it. So I will save it as a Geotas payment and select JPG image, save. So in once you come back to the Geotas site, you need to enter the reference number. That reference number you will find in the statement section there. You need to enter the exact reference number on Geotas site. Enter the exact reference number over here. and you need to upload the screenshot of this statement over there. So what you need to do, you need to choose the file and you need to upload the screenshot that you saved just before GeoTouch payment statement. You need to upload. So you need to upload this GeoTouch payment, or you can check once again that the file you are uploading is correct with the correct reference number. So you need to upload the saved transaction detail and choose the file GeoTouch and GeoTouch payments screenshot and submit. So request place success. You can see the message in left below corner, and after this, once you slide the cursor below, you will see a message called submitted. You can see my last deposit also in this account. Basically I am showing this client account for the demo purpose. So in few minutes you will see your available balance. Right now it's showing 0 INR, total balance 0 INR. So within few minutes your balance will show over here. Once you refresh the browser, you will see there would be pending message over there. And here you can see my last withdraw details also, and you can, if you want to track that transaction hash ID, you can go to the explore section also and see the transaction withdraw details also of last transactions. And this is very trusted and cheap site to buy Bitcoin in India. So once you refresh and click on dashboard, and it will refresh the browser. And once you slide below, you will see pending at the place of submitted. That means your payment has been under processes, and in 1 or 2 minutes it will be in your GeoTouch account. I will refresh once again and see if the payment has arrived. As you can see, after refreshing the browser, I just can see INR available balance 8483 rupees, and in the below section you will see at the place of pending you will get a message success, and the time of the deposit it will show in your dashboard, and they will cut little bit of depositing fees, transaction fees. So after that, what you need to do, you need to click on trade view, because you need to buy the Bitcoin from your deposited rupees. So click on trade view, and there you will go to the exchange section, from where you can exchange INR to Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. So first let me show you how what is the price. You can see in the left menu what is the selling price. Currently is 5,66,000 approx selling price. So you can see in the selling price section also the different for the different seller. So let me show you my current Bitcoin balance in my account. So that you can get confirmed that I had received Bitcoin just in few minutes. So right now I have 0.00422,557 Bitcoin in my account, Bitcoin wallet. So now I am going to buy Bitcoin. So I will click on trade view. Now I will select buy, and at the place of total INR I will enter the total amount, how much I want to buy. So I want to buy a Bitcoin of 8,483 rupees. So I will click 8483 and press enter. So it will ask my permission, so I will give permission yes. So you can see a success message that I had bought Bitcoin. Your buy order is confirmed. You can see success, buy order has been successfully executed. Your buy order has been successfully executed. Now once I go to my dashboard, I will see my INR balance is now 0, and that INR balance has been converted into the Bitcoin. So right now I have now 0.01916018 Bitcoin in my account. So the amount of Bitcoin get increased because I just bought Bitcoin. And you can see the details in below also.
This is how easy it is to buy Bitcoin in India. So you had seen all the step by step procedure how to buy Bitcoin in India, and now you can use 5 bank to add in GeoTus. Recently, from last 2 years we are using it, and they have only one bank allowed. But after the Indian Supreme Court government has allowed us, they had given us option to add 5 bank, and by adding 5 bank you can deposit more money and withdraw more money also in GeoTus. So that is good option. I will also keep the contact number of support, so that if you get any issue you can directly call them on their phone number also, and they will help you. So, and if you are getting any problem in buying Bitcoin, you can also contact me on Facebook. Simply type hashtag Coach Ratan or Engineer Ratan Kumar Anku and message me over there, and I will help you to make more passive earning online, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you will keep getting more and more tutorial video for making money and about the Bitcoin earning in coming future. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.